Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching and thanks for all the support you've had. So today is the day that I've hit 100 subscribers, and I wanted to do a video saying thank you and for all the support from my family and from friends and all the support I get on YouTube for making these videos. With all that support, I'm going to continue making videos. I got a whole bunch of videos lined up already, just ready to be released. And today is also another special day. Not only did I hit 100 subscribers, but I had the birth of my second child. I'm not going to get into too much details with that. I'm just super happy. The baby's okay, my wife's okay so far. But the real main point I was going to bring up here is that since I'm a YouTube channel, I want to thank my subscribers so very much for subscribing to my channel and giving me that support so I can continue making videos for you guys. So I'll just bring you in here and I can show you. I've been waiting for a couple days to do this video, as I saw we were getting very close to 100 subscribers, and I just kind of been watching it. Yesterday I looked, we're at 99, and I was just kind of waiting to see when we'd hit 100 subscribers. Today is that day. So just bring it in here and I can show you right here, we've hit 100 subscribers. So thank you so much, guys, for all your support. Feel free to subscribe. I can't wait to get to 100 or 200, 300, even 1,000 subscribers. So those are some pretty cool milestones that I got planned, or can't wait to hit. So keep subscribing. I got a lot more video content coming out, and keep watching. And don't forget to, if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for any new videos and notifications that come up on my channel, and share, so maybe some other people get a chance to see what my channel is all about. So that being said, thank you so much. I couldn't have done this without you. I've said this probably 10 times already. Just keep watching, guys. I got lots more stuff coming out. Thanks for all the support.